Hi, this is Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and I know this is 2 times in like 7 days, right? Listen, we ran the test last week to get the website back up, thetoolanddieguy.com, and if you were one of my guinea pigs, thank you so much. We had a few problems, not surprised, and if you're still struggling to log in, I think I got everybody taken care of. Just send me an email, philkerner@gmail.com. You know, it's interesting. My days sometimes as the Tool and Die Guy. You know, I still do this every day. And if you're new to this channel, I have a lot of training videos, and sometimes we chat about the trade, all right? Or at least I do. And you have to listen. The this past Thursday, went to work as usual, did my thing, Tool and Die Guy stuff. Then at 4:30, I walked back out to my car, got a blazer, a shirt, a tie, new pants, dress shoes, and of course, no white socks. I had to get the navy blue socks, and dressed up. I had a little bit of a event to go to after work that night. So off I go down to a place in Erie, PA called the Erie Art Museum, which shouldn't have been a big deal, except for the Erie Art Museum. Everything around it is under construction. Just barricades everywhere. I felt like I was like trying to break out of East Berlin in the 1980s, okay? But on my way through, as I had to walk through downtown Erie to this event, I walked by the radio station that I'm on occasionally, and he never sees me in a tie and a blazer. And I stopped by the window and waved. He's like, "Oh my God." So he said, "Come on in." I just waved, and I said, "Maybe I'll be back." So I get to the gala, and what the gala was, my beautiful wife, the Queen, she and 19 other ladies got together and wrote this book called 20 Lives Ignited. Okay, it's a collaboration. It's on Amazon. Believe me, I'm not trying to sell it, but this is part of the story. Props, right? So I told my wife, I said, you know, it's between 5 and 6. I know that's open air on this radio program. And I said, I should go back with your book and talk about it. And so I come back into the studio, and I even surprised myself. I'm just very relaxed at the radio station these days. I walk in, take a seat, put my headset on, grab a mic. And the host is really great. He's really into Erie, PA, and he loves manufacturing. And there's a big job fair here in Erie, Pennsylvania next week. And he asked about filling these jobs and kids getting into manufacturing. And he knows I'm very close to retiring. And he said, "Who's going to take your place?" And I looked at him and I said, "Nobody." And I don't mean that from an arrogant standpoint, like nobody can do what I do. I mean, there's nobody being groomed to take my position. I'm not training anybody. If I retired tomorrow, oh well. All the specialty fixtures and all the programs I've written and all the stuff, 17 years of it, somebody will have to figure it out. I mean, I'll stop by if they need a hand, but I'm not teaching anybody. He was literally stunned by that. And I've been warning people for 20 years, we're losing the trade in a lot of ways, right? I know if you're listening, you love the trade, but so many people that listen to this are hobbyists, right? You guys are working in the garage, trying to learn stuff from me. And but as far as young kids coming in, not enough, just not enough. In fact, it's interesting. There's probably 125 of us on the shop floor. I believe I am the only person on that whole shop floor that is a certified journeyman tool and die maker by the state of Pennsylvania. 30 years ago, that didn't happen. If you wanted to get anywhere in the trade, you had to take your apprenticeship, right? Not anymore. So just food for thought. I'm sad about it. I wish there was somebody that I could train for like 6 months or a year just to kind of show them what I do. But I doubt if that's going to happen. And if this is not a slam of the place I work at. I love where I work, okay? So that's it from here. It's football season. Penn State is 4-0 so far. We're happy with that. And I guess regarding the membership site, I'm going to leave that little special up there for like 3 more days. So if you want to jump on there, everything's working now. You'll get right in. You'll get your username and password. If you don't, check your spam folder, okay? So again, I'm Phil Kerner, the Tool and Die Guy, and we'll see you soon on another video.